This double oven gas range offers an impressive combination of 6 sealed burners and a dedicated griddle, making it easy to handle everything from delicate sauces to high-heat searing on a single cooktop. The main convection oven provides generous space and very even heat circulation, so roasts, baked goods, and sheet pan meals tend to cook thoroughly without the usual hot or cold spots. A second, smaller oven adds real flexibility for everyday cooking, letting you bake a side dish or dessert at a different temperature while the main course finishes in the primary cavity. Build quality feels solid and substantial, with a stainless steel exterior, sturdy oven doors, and illuminated control knobs that give it the look and feel of a professional-style appliance. Thoughtful safety touches, including a cooling system for the oven cavity and multiple layers of oven glass, help keep exterior surfaces more comfortable to the touch during long cooking sessions. For a large family kitchen or serious home cook, this range delivers a strong balance of power, capacity, and refined design that can comfortably support frequent, high-volume cooking.